Hey, stop scrolling. Walking versus workout. The most controversial weight loss truth nobody is ready to hear. If walking was useless, doctors wouldn't recommend it. And if workouts were magic, gyms wouldn't be empty by February. So today, let's settle this once and for all. Walking or workout? Which one actually works for weight loss? And the answer might surprise you. But before clearing the confusion, let's understand why this confusion exists. Well, the biggest reason is social media. Because social media loves extremes. Just walk 10,000 steps or do intense workouts to stay fit. But your body does not work on trends. It works on biology, consistency, and recovery. Weight loss is not about suffering. It's about what you can repeat every single week. And if consistency is your struggle, then very sorry to say, it's tough for you to lose weight. Now, let's talk about walking, the most underrated fat loss tool. Walking does not look impressive because you don't sweat buckets and no dramatic before-after reels. So, how to keep yourself motivated? That's a good challenge, right? But walking does something very powerful. It burns calories without stressing your body. It also lowers cortisol, your stress hormone, and high cortisol is directly linked to stubborn belly fat. Do you know, many people fail to lose weight not because they eat too much, but because they are constantly stressed. And walking fixes that silently. But if walking is so good, then why do workouts even exist? So let's talk about workouts too. Fast results and fast burnout. Yes, workouts burn more calories per minute. And yes, it's a strength training that builds muscle faster. And also, muscle increases metabolism. Therefore, workouts are powerful, no doubt on it. But here's the problem nobody talks about. Most people don't quit because workouts don't work. They quit because workouts are hard to sustain. Too busy, too tired, too sore, and too consistent. And an inconsistent workout routine burns exactly zero fat. And if motivation or fatigue kills your routine, then you are going to have a very bad day. So again, the big question, walking or workout, which one is actually better for weight loss? Let's reveal the truth that nobody likes to hear. Walking wins for most people, and workouts win for short-term fat loss and muscle building. But the real winner is daily walking plus workout 2 to 3 times a week. This combination keeps your metabolism active without burning you out. Now pause for a while because this is very important. The diet reality check. You cannot outwork a bad diet, and you cannot outwork out sugar overloaded. Yes, exercise supports weight loss, but food decides weight loss. Even a perfect workout plan fails with a careless diet. And one more thing people ignore a lot, and that is sleep. Bad sleep increases hunger. It also increases belly fat and kills fat loss too. So stop asking walking or workout and start asking what can I do consistently for the next 6 months. And if you want science-backed, no BS advice on weight loss, belly fat and sleep smart habits, then explore my previous videos in my channel. See you in next video.